Hi there, 8th graders. Mr. Kerr here. Week 13 of Unit 2 is we're talking reform, compromise, and expansion in the United States. This is the week where we really kind of go in depth into the difference between the North and the South, and really this what's called sectionalism, and really the big divides. It was slavery. Slavery was certainly the biggest one, but part of that is why was slavery so important in the South, and why was it not important and outlawed basically in most of the North, and why this became the biggest part of sectionalism. Now, there are other things that flowed from this, and it has to do with the politics, the religion, the geography, the economics of the North versus the South. But we'll be looking at all of that. So as we get into week 13, do want to point out this is our last week before Thanksgiving week. Now, we will have the entire week of Thanksgiving off. There won't be anything new. There won't be a week 14 until after Thanksgiving. However, those of you, and you know who I'm talking about, that have missing work and need to get caught up, this Thanksgiving week is the best time to get everything caught up, because we're getting close to the end of the semester. And if you get all caught up over Thanksgiving, then we go into the last couple of weeks before the end of the semester in really good shape. So please check your grade book. Please look at the feedback I've given you on the assignments you have turned in. And please get all missing assignments completed through this week and over the weekend. You will have until Sunday night before we get back and going into week 14. But please don't wait till that. Please get this week done and get all of your past due stuff done as well. As always, we will, so with week 13, we will have a weekly quiz. So as always, please do the week 13 North and South quiz. Get that done on Monday. The one time you have to do it on Monday as a pretest. Take notes on that. Use those notes as you go through all the material for the week. And then, of course, on Friday, you will have 2 more shots to get it and 100% on that quiz. So please, really important to try and follow the schedule here. And then we will be getting into G Persia. And this spoke diagram is our big assignment. As you go through this week, you will see there are a number of readings and a number of videos that really point out the difference between the North and the South. And as we talk about slavery and the other differences, really go through everything carefully. Again, you've taken the quiz, so you know what the really important information is, and then putting it together in this spoke diagram, North and South. And we'll be using this G Persia way of breaking apart all the information: geography, politics, economics, religion, society and culture, intellect, education, arts and entertainment. Come up with this G Persia and assignment. So that's the big assignment, the quiz as well, and just making sure you are all set and complete for the week. Let me know if you have any questions at all, but again, the really important thing is if you have anything missing, this is the time to get everything done and turned in. Let me know. Make sure you're checking your messages, your email, and I'll see some of you on Wednesday, and hope you are all doing well and have a great Thanksgiving. Thanks. Work hard. See you soon. Bye.